Hello, and welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's episode, we're talking about happiness. So let's get started. How would you define happiness? Happiness is the emotional state characterized by feelings of contentment and well-being, or the concept of happiness encapsulates an emotional state marked by a profound sense of contentment and overall well-being. What kinds of things make people in your country happy? People in my country find happiness in close relationships and enjoyable experiences. Or the sources of happiness for individuals in my country include meaningful relationships and pleasurable life encounters. Do you think money can make people happy? While money can provide comfort, true happiness extends beyond material wealth. Or, although financial resources can offer comfort, authentic happiness transcends mere monetary possessions. Are people in your country happier now than they were 30 years ago? People's happiness levels might have changed due to various factors in the past 30 years. Or the comparative happiness levels of individuals in my country between now and 3 decades ago could have been influenced by a range of factors. Do you think failures help people feel happiness? Failures can lead to personal growth, contributing to eventual happiness. Or failures have the potential to contribute to personal development, thereby fostering a sense of happiness over time. Is it important to have goals in life in order to feel happy? Having meaningful life goals can contribute to a sense of happiness and fulfillment. Establishing meaningful life goals holds the potential to enhance feelings of happiness and overall life satisfaction. Why are some people more positive than others? Factors like personality traits and life experiences influence individuals' positivity levels, or individual variations in positivity are shaped by a combination of factors, including personality attributes and personal life encounters. Why do some people say happiness never lasts long? The transient nature of happiness is often attributed to life's ups and downs. Or the perspective that happiness is fleeting is often rooted in the recognition of life's inevitable fluctuations and changes. What do you do when you feel happy? Or what do you do when you feel unhappy? When I experience unhappiness, I engage in activities that uplift my mood. In moments of unhappiness, I undertake activities aimed at improving my emotional state and well-being. Okay, that's all the questions. Next up is our reading passage. Read along with me. It's intended to give you more of an insight into the topic at hand. Happiness is a complex emotion encompassing both emotional and cognitive dimensions. It is often influenced by external circumstances, internal disposition, and the interplay between them. Research suggests that subjective well-being, a key component of happiness, comprises positive affect, life satisfaction, and a sense of purpose. Engage in activities that align with personal interests and values can evoke a deep sense of contentment. Close relationships, whether with family, friends, or romantic partners, play a pivotal role in fostering happiness. Meaningful connections provide emotional support, companionship, and a sense of belonging. While financial security can alleviate stress and provide comfort, and relationship between money and happiness is complex, once basic needs are met, the correlation between increased wealth and heightened happiness diminishes. The pursuit of material wealth may lead to reduced time for meaningful experiences and connections. Cultural norms and societal expectations shape the definition and pursuit of happiness. The context in which individuals reside can impact their access to resources and opportunities for happiness. Different cultures prioritize distinct values, influence what is considered fulfilling and desirable. Technology like gratitude journaling, mindfulness, and acts of kindness have been found to elevate mood and promote a positive outlook on life. Positive psychology shed light on strategies for enhancing happiness. External stresses, societal pressures, and personal setbacks can disrupt the pursuit of contentment. The human tendency to adapt to positive circumstances, known as a hedonic treadmill, can lead to diminishing returns in terms of happiness. The pursuit of happiness is a multifaceted journey influenced by internal and external forces. Understanding the source of happiness and adopting strategies to nurture it can contribute to a more fulfilling and satisfying life. Okay, I hope you found that insightful. Next up is a range of vocab and expressions. Take a look. Aspiration, contentment, emerge, intricate, disposition, subjective well-being, positive effect, life satisfaction, pivotal, companionship, meaningful connections, evoking, paradox, diminishes, adequate, elevate, promote, sustainability, adapt, diminishing returns, disrupt, nurture, fulfilling, satisfying, well-being, resilience, positive outlook, challenges, complexities, strategies. A range of expressions. And lastly, we have our paraphrasing exercises. Try to bring some of these into your own words at home. Instead of saying, how can companies provide their employees with a particular life, you could say, in what ways can companies create chances for their employees to unwind? Happiness is often associated with positive emotions and life satisfaction. Instead, you could say, joy and life contentment are frequently linked with the concept of happiness. And lastly, we have our paraphrasing description. I'll leave you to it. As always, thank you for listening. I'll see you on the next one.